So again, good day everyone. And for today, we are now on the last part of our topic for the third quarter in music entitled Filipino Song Composers and Lyrics for the 20th Century Music. So on the lesson 2, we discuss the new Filipino composers and we name the following. We have here Jose Maceda, Lucrecia Casilag, Francisco Feliciano, Josefino Toledo, Jerry Dadap, and so forth. So moving on, for our lesson 3 in music, we're going to discuss the Filipino composers and lyrics. So it's been stated here that another category of the 20th century Filipino musicians are the well-known song composers and lyrics, and they are as follows. So number 1, the known as composer and lyrics for the 20th century music, we have here Levi Silerio. In the year 1910 to 2002, and it was considered as the national artist for literature and music. So Levi Silerio made it to the Guinness Book of World Records for being the only person to make music with a leaf or using a leaf. He also wrote the lyrics for over 4,000 songs and received numerous awards for his musical achievements in film. His known as compositions are Ang Pipit, Sa Ugoy ng Tuyan, Misa de Gallo, Itik-Itik, or it's a sample of folk song, Tinikling, Ang Pasko Ay Sumapit. Another composers and lyrics, we have here Constancio de Guzman from the year 1903 to 1982. Constancio is composer of the nationalistic song Bayan Ko, and he was acknowledged as the Dean of the Filipino movie composers and musical directors. De Guzman became the music director of movie production and companies like Sampaguita, LVN, Royal, Excelsior, Leia and Tagalog, Ilang-Ilang Productions. His known as compositions are the following. We have Bayan Ko, Babalik Ka Rin, Ang Tangi Kong Pag-ibig, Birheng Walang Dambana, Maala-ala Mo Kaya, Sa Piling Mo, and Ang Langit Ko'y Ikaw. Another, we have here Miguel Mike G. Velarde Jr. from the year 1913 to 1986. He was a composer, a conductor, and a musical director. He composed the popular song Dahil Sa'yo in 1938. In 1975, the Philippine Government Cultural Association awarded him the Cultural Achievement Award in Popular Music and received the Gawad CCP para sa sining in 1986. His known as compositions are Buhat, Ikaw, Bituing Marikit, Minamahal Kita, Dating Sumpaan, Dalisay, Eternally Yours, Gabit Araw, at Dahil Sa Iyo. Fourth stop, we have here Santiago Suarez from the year 1901 to 1964. He was accomplished composer of traditional Filipino love songs. His popular works includes Dungawin Mo Hirang, Bakya Mo Neneng, Capricosa, Salibis na Nayon, and Kataka-Taka. His known as compositions, we have here Ligaya Ko, Pandango ni Neneng, Labandera Ko, Lakambini, Kamya, Ikaw ang Buhay Ko, Kay Lungkot Nitong Hating Gabi, at Mutya ng Niyaring Puso. Another composer and lyrics, we have Restituto or Resti A. Umali from the year 1916 to 1998. He was a composer, a teacher, and a musical arranger. He arranged the Philippine National Anthem of the Philippine Independence Night in Boston in 1972. He wrote a total of more or less 120 movie theme songs and composed more than 250 scores for movies. His known as compositions are Saan Ka Man Naroroon, Alaalan ng Lumipas, Ang Pangarap Ko Ikaw, at Salibis. Another, we have here Angel M. Peña from the year 1921 to 2014. He was a classical and jazz composer, a musical arranger, a bass player, He is widely considered by the modern Filipino jazz musicians as one of the founders of traditional jazz in the Philippines. Bagbag Tulambing, Igorot Rhapsody, Concerto for Double Bass and Orchestra, Concerto for Jazz Quartet and Orchestra is one of their knownest compositions. Next, we have here the works of Hernani J. Cuenco from the 1936 from 1988 and considered as the national artist for music. He was a composer, a film scorer, a musical director, and a music teacher, and was named as National Artist for Music in 1999, which is his works embodied in the Filipino sense of musicality with the classical sounds of Kundiman, which is evident in many of his ballads. To this day, his compositions continue to be popular and well-loved. His known compositions are the following. We have Nahan, Kahit na Magtiis, Diligin Mo ng Hamog ang Uhaw na Lupa, Pilipinas Inang Bayan, Isang Dalangin, Kalesa, Gaano Ko Ikaw Kamahal, and Bato sa Buhangin. Next is we have here George M. Canseco from the year 1934 to 2004. He was considered a nationally acclaimed composer of numerous popular Filipino classics. He composed songs for some of the country's top popular singers such as Sharon Cuneta, Basil Valdez, Regine Velasquez, Shasha Padilla, Pilita Corrales, Martin Rivera, and Ku Ledesma. He wrote the classical Kapantay ay Langit, a movie theme song as well as The Child, the English language version of Freddie Aguilar, signature song Anak, and also served as the president of the Filipino Society of Composers, Authors, and Publishing Corporation, or what we call the PhilSCOP. His noted compositions are the following: Ikaw, Kailangan Kita, Dito Ba, Hiram, Langis at Tubig, Hanggang sa Dulo ng Walang Hanggan, Sinasamba Kita, Kastilyong Buhangin, Minsan Pa Nating Hagkan ang Nakaraan, Ngayon at Kailanman, Saan Darating ang Umaga, Sana Bukas Pa ang Kahapon, Dear Heart at Kadalas, Gaano Kadalas ang Minsan. And last but not least, we have here Leopoldo Arcilos Sr. from 1925 to 2015. He was a composer, singer, and arranger. He composed the recorded romantically soulful songs, and he was the awarded-winning musical director of the television musical program Aawitan Kita. Compositions, we have here Dahil sa Isang Bulaklak, Hindi Kita Malimot, Aling Kotsero, Ay Anong Saklap, Basta't Mahal Kita, Diyos Lamang ang Nakakaalam, Hindi Ko Malilimutan, Lagi Kitang Naaalala, Langit at Lupa, Halina't Halina, Lihim ng Pag-ibig at Mundo Mo ay Mawawala. So, just like on the statement said, it's all right to cry, it's all right to run away, just don't ever give up. So for your activity, for number 4, entitled What Can I Do? For the direction, you need to listen to the song Sa Ugoy ng Duyan and Kay Ganda ng Ating Musika. Be guided and visit the link below for your reference, and after listening to the song, differentiate the features of the songs and write your thoughts on the provided space below. You can copy the pattern and format and write it on the sheet of paper. You can visit your internet to download and listen sa Ugoy ng Duyan and Kay Ganda ng Ating Musika. So as we go back on the lesson 1, you need to perform this performance task. And if you have any questions and queries regarding our topic, you can chat your teacher and write your reflection in the comment section. Thank you very much and see you on our next topic.